Good morning, beta.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning to all of you.
Ma'am, in this period we will do SST.
Good morning, ma'am.
Ma'am, in this period we will do SST or English creative.
Yes, beta. Yes, we'll do English creative.
Okay.
Ma'am, what will do English creative?
Okay, what we'll do in English creative? What was the last thing that we did in English creative?
Ma'am, story writing.
Story.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Story.
Story writing the box. The box.
Ma'am, shooting the ball.
Very nice. Now today, we have done
Ma'am.
composition also,
Ma'am,
right?
what?
We have done
Ma'am,
picture
what?
composition also.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Let me check now what all will come in your syllabus. Just let me check. Have you got your syllabus of half yearlies, children? Not yet. Okay.
Ma'am, of what?
Of half
Half yearly.
exams, have you got the syllabus?
No, ma'am.
Just wait. Let me see.
No, ma'am.
Okay, beta, wait. I'll give you. Don't worry. Yes, I have.
Ma'am, not syllabus we have.
English literature, grammar, creative. Okay, so you have 3 topics in English creative writing. That is informal letter, the letter writing that we did last time. Write a letter to your grandfather telling about your health and all, inquiring about his health. Write a letter to your mother and share your experience of your hostel. We did these letters. Yes?
Ma'am.
So one is this informal letter. Second is picture description.
Ma'am, I have not.
You
No,
have
I have not done.
why you have no. Okay, we'll revise informal letter today. Don't worry. Okay, we are just going to do the revision now. Everything has been done. We have done picture description. We have done short story. We have done informal letter. Now we'll start with the revision of all of it. I'm going to share the format of informal letter. How it works. Anyone remembers the format of informal letter?
Yes, ma'am. I remember.
You remember. Very good, Jasmine. Very nice.
Ma'am, first we write date, then the
Write
address.
down these 3 topics in the this thing, the first page of your copy where the index is there. Just write down the heading half yearly syllabus and these 3 topics. First topic is, first write down the heading half yearly syllabus. The first heading is informal letter. Second heading is, second topic is picture description or picture composition.
Ma'am, can you send this in chat box? This.
Beta, you want me to send this small syllabus also in the chat box?
No, ma'am. Can you repeat? Ma'am, can
Yes,
you
I will
repeat?
repeat. I will repeat.
The third one is storytelling.
Yes. Informal letter, picture description or picture composition. It is the same. And the third is short story or storytelling.
Ma'am, can you repeat once more? I can't listen.
Okay, beta, wait.
Write in chat box.
Yes, let me write in chat box only. Good morning. Good morning. Now today I am going to log this meeting after 2 more minutes. Half yearly syllabus. Okay. Yes, beta.
Ma'am, do we have to write this on the first page of copy?
Yes.
Or like after? after the
Better write anywhere, but at a place that you can find it. When you need it, you can instantly find it. Anshu, so quick, huh? Written faster than me. Picture description or picture composition.
Ma'am, what we will do today?
We will do revision, beta. Complete revision. Now, in SST also and in English Creative also, we are going to do revision. I'm going to find out different topics, give you those topics for practice. Yes, Yashmit, why are you making a face? You don't want to revise
We
it?
will do the informal letters, the revision.
Today, yes, we are going to do informal letter revision. It is short story or story writing, not storytelling, it's story writing. That's your syllabus for half yearlies. Now you have your SST syllabus also, you have your English creative writing syllabus also. What I'll do is I will share
Please
with
tell the
you.
SST syllabus.
SST to beta I gave you in SST period only.
Ma'am, please tell it again.
वो उधर है दादी.
Your SST syllabus is chapter 4, 5, 6, 7 of your book.
Till 7 chapter.
Yes,
I'm 7 chapter.
4 to 7 beta, only 4 chapters are coming. Now, those who have not made the format of informal letter, it is very important to write the letter in this format only. Everybody will note down the format or take a screenshot. But instead of taking a screenshot, I think you should make it in your copy. Those who have not made it. All right?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, here it goes. I will send the PDF in the class group also. Informal letter format.
Share the screen on.
Children, all of you check. I have sent in the class group also and I have sent it on D group also. The format.
Okay, ma'am.
Can you see? Everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now,
Yes,
those
ma'am.
who have not made this format, I'm sharing screen over here. All of you make it in your copy because till the point you will not make it by your own hand. You will not remember it.
So,
How
ma'am,
many
we
of-
have to.
Yes?
So, ma'am, we have to make this blue blocks.
Yes, you have to write. See, the same screen that you can see right now, you have to draw as it is. When you read sender's address, sender means the one who is sending this letter. So when you are writing the letter, who is the sender? You are the sender, right?
Every time we write an informal letter, we have to write it in a box.
No, no, no. These boxes are shown that here you write it. You don't have to make a box outside it, beta. You only have to write your address over here. Then you will write the date under it. Like you write application to the teacher or the principal of the school. Do you make blocks? No, you don't make blocks. You only write it at
Ma'am,
this
we have
place.
in this format, we in copy.
Ma'am, what we have to write in
like the same
solution?
that the screen showing.
Salutation.
बेटा सेंडर कौन है? सेंडर होता है जो सेंड कर रहा है लेटर. अगर आप कोई लेटर लिख रहे हो तो कौन सेंड कर रहा है? You are sending now. So that means you are the sender. Now what is your address? Where are you? Where are you sending the letter from? It depends on that. Everybody will listen to me very carefully now. See, if I say you have to write a letter to your mother telling her about your experience in your new hostel. So what does that mean? You live in a hostel and from that hostel, you are writing a letter to your mother who stays at home. So what is your address at that time? Your address is your hostel. Okay? Is that clear? If you are writing a letter to your parents or your friends from somewhere outside, maybe you have gone out of India, okay, at a relative's place, and you are writing a letter from there telling about your experience in a new country with new people. So what will your address be? Your address is going to be of that new place. So it depends on what the letter says you to do. Clear?
What we have to write in salutation?
Now see, salutation, see, I'll tell you. Above this, everything is given. Salutation is not given, okay. Salutation is hello, hello all, dear, hello all. This dear mom, hello mom, like that. That is salutation. How you greet somebody. If
I have to make this all.
yes, you have to make this block.
Ma'am, which page?
And what in subscription?
Yes, now see, what is subscription? Subscription. Read at the top. A letter must close with certain forms of polite leave takings. You have to politely end the letter. By how? Yours affectionately, yours sincerely, yours affectionate daughter, son, grandson, granddaughter, yours loving friend, if you're writing to a friend. Okay? What do you, how do you end a letter? Do you straight away say, okay, bye? Do you say like that? No, you don't write like that. You have to be polite while ending a
Excuse me,
letter.
ma'am.
Yes,
Excuse me, ma'am.
yes, beta.
Ma'am, in sender's address, we have to write our name.
एड्रेस में बेटा नेम लिखते हैं. आपसे कोई आपका एड्रेस पूछेगा, आप सिर्फ नेम लिखोगे क्या?
Ma'am, we write in sender. Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am, in sender's name signature, we have to write only name. We have to pick one or both. We have to write.
Wait, let me see. Now here, subscription, sender's name or signature. Name or signature. Slash means anyone.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Anika.
Ma'am, which is the page number?
This is no page number. There is no page number. That is why I'm telling you to make it in your copy. Make it.
Ma'am,
Wait, Rasya, wait. I'm still talking to Anika. Yes, Anika, say.
ma'am, in sender's address, I have to write my name and then my address like 11 PV mark or 118 type of number.
Yes. If you are writing the letter from your own home, from your residence, you will write your residence address. If suppose the heading of the letter is write a letter to your mother telling her about your experience in hostel, in your new hostel. So that means where are you living currently? You are living currently in your new hostel. Then your address will be, then will you write your house address?
Ma'am, then we will write the hostel's address.
Yes, you will write hostel's address. If suppose you are writing, wait, let me.
Ma'am.
Children, why do you speak in between? Let
Ma'am,
one
I was
query
just-
be solved. Raise your hands. Like well-mannered children. Just raise your hand. Your teacher will come to you. Don't worry. Anika, now I'm saying, suppose if you are staying somewhere outside and the letter says you have gone to America for the first time to your relative's place. Write a letter to your mother telling your experience in America. So what will your address be? Your address be somewhere in America, isn't it? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now Anika ask. Anika will
Ma'am,
ask.
in
Ma'am,
the ma'am,
Anika, you
ma'am,
don't
in
want to ask,
the
put your hand down if you don't want to ask.
ma'am, I want to ask something.
So ask na beta. I'm telling you na, I'm waiting for you to speak.
Can I speak in Hindi? What I want
Yes
to
beta,
speak?
speak. No problem, speak in Hindi.
एक्चुअली हम जिस भी प्लेस पे होंगे हमें वहीं का एड्रेस लिखना है.
हाँ जी, जहां आपको लेटर का जो क्वेश्चन होगा ना बेटा, लेटर में अगर वो आपको कहेंगे, आप देखो, आप लिख तो बरेली से रहे हो लेटर, बट अगर लेटर में ऐसा लिखा गया है कि आप अमेरिका गए हो और आप वहां से अपनी मम्मी को इंडिया लेटर भेजो, तो दैट मीन्स आप अमेरिका का लेटर, अमेरिका का एड्रेस लिखोगे ना, है ना. लेटर के अकॉर्डिंग आप जहां भी हो आपको वहां से वहां का एड्रेस लिखना है, सेंडर्स एड्रेस में. ठीक है, समझ आया? सबको समझ आया?
If we are in the office, so we'll write the office address.
बेटा अगर आप ऑफिस में हो, अगर लेटर की हेडिंग के अकॉर्डिंग आप ऑफिस में हो, सपोज लेटर है कि राइट अ लेटर टू योर दिस थिंग, to somebody in the office, you have been locked inside or something, anything like that, anything weird like that, तो आप ऑफिस का एड्रेस लिखोगे. आप लेटर की हेडिंग के अकॉर्डिंग जिस जगह होगे आप उस जगह का एड्रेस लिखोगे. ठीक है
Ma'am,
Just correct.
first we write how are you, can we write how are you after how are you? We can write I think
Ma'am,
you
I
are fine.
सब बोलो बेटा, सब इकट्ठे बोलो. फिश मार्केट बना दो. ठीक है.
Excuse me, ma'am.
What tell? I'm telling only. From the beginning, I'm telling only. Ask.
ma'am, in the subscription, it is written your affectionately, your sincerely, and it is only written daughter son. So we don't have to write your daughter or your son.
Your, see what it is written. Let's go to the top. Yours affectionate daughter or yours affectionate son. Or if you don't want to write daughter or son, just yours affectionately Panchul Mishra. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you please explain me the picture description?
Picture. We are talking about informal letter now today. Let everybody solve the queries of informal letter, beta. Don't mix two topics. Next time when we have the class of English Creative, I'll solve your query of picture description. Fine?
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Like, ma'am, in the sender address we are writing, we are in America and we are in a hill station. So, ma'am, we will not write the hill station address. We will write our home's address.
अरे भैया. ओके, किस किस को ये पॉइंट क्लियर नहीं हुआ? सेंडर्स एड्रेस वाला पॉइंट किस किस को क्लियर नहीं हुआ? जसकरण को क्लियर नहीं हुआ? ओके, जसकरण अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ एंड टेल मी. एक तो मैं स्क्रीन
Ma'am, first I was saying, not clear.
यस.
Please show again.
No, I am not showing right now. First of all of you listen to me. बेटा सेंडर का क्या मतलब हुआ? जो लेटर लिख रहा है, ठीक है, वही तो सेंड करेगा ना लेटर. अगर आप लेटर लिख रहे हो तो आप ही तो सेंड करोगे किसी को लेटर. ठीक है, तो आप कहाँ से लिख रहे हो लेटर? या तो आप अपने घर से बैठ के लिख रहे हो लेटर कि यू आर नॉट वेल इन योर होम. Write a letter to your mother telling her that you are not well and your mother stays at some other place. तो आप अपने घर का एड्रेस डालोगे. अगर ऐसा है लेटर की हेडिंग कि राइट अ लेटर टू योर पेरेंट्स दैट योर हॉस्टल इज अ वेरी बैड प्लेस, तो आप कहाँ का एड्रेस, दैट मीन्स आप कहाँ रह रहे हो, हॉस्टल में रह रहे हो. ठीक है, तो आप कहाँ का एड्रेस डालोगे, हॉस्टल का डालोगे. अगर आपसे कहा गया है कि आप कहीं घूमने गए हो, वहां आपका फोन चोरी हो गया, वहां आपके पास कुछ भी नहीं है, अब अपने मम्मी पापा को कैसे बताओगे, लेटर लिख के बताओ कि आप परेशानी में हो, कहीं आप हिल स्टेशन घूमने गए हो, तो आप कहाँ का एड्रेस डालोगे, जहां आप गए हो घूमने वहीं का तो डालोगे, अपने घर का क्यों
मैम हिल
डालोगे,
स्टेशन का,
है ना, हिल स्टेशन का डालोगे.
मैम हिल स्टेशन का.
अब बात समझ में आ गई.
मैं excuse me ma'am.
यस रायना.
Ma'am, what is the solution after date?
Wait, just wait. Let me solve this. I will share screen and then again come back to you. Just Karan, now tell beta, is it clear?
Ma'am, but I have write in notebook.
Ma'am, this was clear, but I have a different doubt. Ma'am,
Tell, ask your doubt.
I was saying some. You are giving examples like we have to like make the address of America and other things. But ma'am, uh, about what we are writing.
हिंदी में पूछ लो बेटा, कुछ समझ नहीं आया इंग्लिश में.
मैम जैसे आपने कहा था पहले कि एग्जाम्पल्स में कह रहे थे कि अमेरिका के एड्रेस लिखना है, अगर अमेरिका में हो तो, अगर हॉस्टल में हो तो फिर हॉस्टल का एड्रेस.
Yes.
मैम तो फिर अभी ये नहीं समझ में आया मुझे किसके बारे में लिखना है.
तो वो तो लेटर में आपको बताएंगे ना, आपको किसके बारे में लिखना है. बेटा वो तो लेटर में मेंशन्ड होगा ना उस क्वेश्चन में कि आपको लिखना क्या.
मैम वो ये समझ रहा है, मैम जशकरण ये समझ रहे हैं ना कि मैम आपने जो स्क्रीन शेयर करी है मैम, हमें उसका जो आप टॉपिक बता रही है मैम हमें उस पे लिखना है. मैम
नहीं
जशकरण
बेटा
ये
उसको लिखना नहीं है, वो जो मैंने स्क्रीन शेयर करी है ना, दैट इज जस्ट फॉर द फॉर्मेट. हाउ एनी इनफॉर्मल लेटर इज रिटन, दैट इज जस्ट द फॉर्मेट ऑफ दैट. Okay, you don't have to write anything right now. I have not shared any topic. I have not given you any heading to write. It is just the format in which an informal letter is written. Is that clear?
And the signature of the sender and the name is compulsory.
Of course, it is compulsory.
Then the signature.
अच्छा सुनो, मेरी बात सुनो. Suppose you are staying in a hill station and you are writing a letter to your parents. ठीक है? So, hi, how are you? This and that. I'm facing, I'm in trouble and I'm in this and that. And नीचे will you not write your name? How will they come to know that this letter has come from Arav Gupta? Or if suppose you are writing a letter to your friend, how will any friend of yours guess that this letter has come from Arav Gupta? Below the letter, you will have to write, you will have to give your details also, na? Yes? Any other question?
Signature is compulsory. Signature.
No, signature is not compulsory. You can simply write your name.
Okay.
Akhya Goyal, yes. Next question.
Ma'am, what is solution?
What is?
Ma'am, solution.
Salutation is, see, I'll tell you what is salutation. Salutation is how you greet somebody. Like suppose if you're writing a letter to your friend, you will write dear, right? You will, what will you write before his or her name? You are going to write dear. If you are writing a letter to your grandfather, what are you going to write? Dear grandfather. Will you write dear? What you will write? Respected, isn't it? So these are salutations, how you greet someone. If somebody is elder to you, if somebody is younger to you, how differently you greet different people. You have to write that. Okay. Now Jaskaran still has a question. Yes.
No, well, you are saying that write the address of America. Can you tell how we have to write the address of America?
How you have to write the address of America? You can write anything.
Ma'am,
You
mean
can
of a
write
place.
anything according to your imagination. Like you can write any street, house number 41, and you can name any good street. Just give a good name. Street Elizabeth, so and so colony, anything like that. Just randomly you have to give any address.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Now you sit in America. Will you write Sarojini Nagar? Tell me, will you write?
No, ma'am.
No, na?
No, ma'am.
Yes. So you have to think accordingly. Okay. Next question. Just wait.
Ma'am, what is
Let me have water now. I have spoken enough. Okay. Now, yes. Next question. Athar Gupta, what is your question? Raina also still has another question to ask. Okay, Athar. Yes?
Ma'am, I have not any question, I only have one. Ma'am, and when we start the letter, dear mom, I think you can be right. I think after how are you? I think you are fine. Can be right?
Yes, yes, of course. Hope you are fine. Hope you are doing well. You can write these lines.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Raina.
Ma'am, I want to ask what is subscription?
Okay, what is subscription? Subscription is yours sincerely, yours affectionately, yours loving. This is subscription. Okay. Any other question? Anika Verma has a question. Anika is not asking. Yashmit, what is your question?
Ma'am, I am having that. Ma'am, I am not raising my hand for any query. I am raising because I have done.
You have done. Okay, you have written this format. Very good. Yes, Panchul.
Ma'am, I have.
Ma'am, I am asking that I have also done, but I am asking that we can change the subscription by ourselves.
Like what you want to change?
Like you have in the book here that you have seen the picture, it is only written your sincerely and your affectionate. So we can write your lovely and etc. that by
Yes.
ourselves.
Yours lovingly can
Ma'am, we
also
have
be
to write
written.
it format. Ma'am, we have to write it format.
You have, yes, you have to write the format. Now again, for the last time, I'm sharing the screen. Those who have not made the format, please make it fast. Okay. Then I'll give
So,
you
ma'am, we
one
have to make
topic.
the box.
Yes.
Written the format.
मेरी बात सुनो. Can you see this letter? ये letter दिख रहा है सबको? Can you see this letter
Yes,
on my
ma'am.
screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see any boxes made?
No, ma'am.
No. So when
No,
you
ma'am.
write a letter, you don't make boxes. But in a format, these boxes are shown that at this place, your address will come. At this place, date will come. You actually don't draw boxes when you write a letter. Is that fine?
Ma'am, please share the screen and please show the
I'm
format,
sharing the
ma'am.
screen.
I have not done.
See, again, the format is here.
Ma'am, I have done.
See, can you see on the top, a note is also written. Don't write yours or yours sincerely. Don't write apostrophe S in yours sincerely. Everyone will note everything right from the top till the end. What is subscription? What is signature? What is everything? Is that fine? I have sent the picture on the class group also.
Excuse me, ma'am.
The top to last.
Yes, from top till the end.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have only written that box one, so can I write the signature and subscription at the down?
Yes, you can write.
Ma'am, Daksh Pratap has to send the. Ma'am,
Daksh Pratap, beta, Daksh Pratap, this happy birthday gift is no subscription. Okay, just cross that. Rest your letter is fine. But the starting of the letter is also not very nice.
Ma'am,
Yes, thank you, grandfather, to give me a new remote control helicopter. That is so good. I like it so much. I think you're a very good grandfather in this world. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. Wait, beta, wait.
ma'am, can we write the
Ma'am, I have to copy the signature.
Yes, Rasya, you have to write what? Now, children, please take a screenshot. I'm removing this Zoom. Yes.
Ma'am, please wait for 1 minute.
I'm waiting, beta. I'm waiting. I'm not going anywhere.
Ma'am, body means मतलब जो full letter that you are
हाँ
writing.
जी, जो मेन लेटर का कंटेंट होगा ना वो बॉडी में आएगा. जैसे कि आपका लेटर किस बारे में है, ठीक है?
ma'am, I write this format on my rough copy.
Ma'am, it is written the signature or the name of the writer comes below the subscription. So we have to write below our name below the
बेटा
subscription.
एक बात बताओ, सब्सक्रिप्शन क्या होती है? सब्सक्रिप्शन होता है yours lovingly, yours affectionately, yours sincerely. तो उसके नीचे ही तो आप अपना नाम लिखोगे ना. ऐसे थोड़ी लिखोगे कि नेहा पाहवा yours affectionately, है ना? ऐसे थोड़ा ना लिखेंगे. हम पहले लिखेंगे yours affectionately. कौन है आपका affectionate, आपका lovingly कौन है? Then you will write your name.
No, we can't write in the same line.
No, never.
Ma'am, we write letter father also. Ma'am, I have written the format, so so can I write the
I have also written.
downwards?
What, Yashmit?
Ma'am, I have written the format, so can I write subscription and signature which are on the top at the last?
Which are at the top at the last. I don't understand what you are saying. Okay, जो ऊपर subscription और signature है, you're asking about that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you can write it in the end, beta. Below the format. You can make it below the format.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you say this is? Ma'am, this is my birthday gift given by my bua.
Very beautiful. Very nice. When was your birthday, Raina?
Ma'am, 27 April.
Oh, long back. Very nice.
And my birthday is also coming on 8th of
Ma'am,
October.
8th October.
because I love craft and art, so my bua gave me.
Very good. Very beautiful gift.
My birthday is on 15 November.
Very good.
Ma'am, mine is on 2nd October.
7 October.
And ma'am, when your birthday came?
Beta, my birthday is on 29th of January.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, children, can I give you the topic now? You will.
Ma'am, your voice is not audible. Can you speak
Ma'am, you
again?
muted yourself in between the talk.
All right, beta, listen. Are you ready for the topic, or shall I give you the topic next week only when we have our class? You want to write the topic right now for the informal letter?
I can. Yes, ma'am, we can write it right now.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. And ma'am, we are
Okay, I can hear a lot many no's. Does that mean you want the topic next week only whenever we have our class next?
ma'am,
All
ma'am,
right.
our next class is
Yes,
on.
ma'am. Yes,
Ma'am, our
ma'am.
next class is tomorrow. Yes, ma'am. Our next
Beta,
class is
tomorrow I have some important work. I am not attending the school tomorrow. I won't be there. So next week probably we'll have our English creative class.
Ma'am, tomorrow you, ma'am, where?
Beta, I have some important work. Some office work is to be done. Not school office work, some other office work. Government office work is to be done. Everyone has made this format.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good.
Ma'am, so tomorrow our periods will combine.
Tomorrow,
Ma'am, tomorrow our two periods combine.
yes. My two periods will be combined tomorrow.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, you were the class teacher of which class?
Beta, I'm of B section, 4th B.
I'm of 4th A.
I am the class teacher of 4th B. Okay, now next class has already joined in. So 4th C children, I'm ending this session over here.
bye, ma'am.
Bye,
Bye,
beta.
ma'am.
Bye to all of you.
Bye,
Have
ma'am.
a nice day, ma'am.
Same to you.
Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day, ma'am.
Same to you, beta.
Bye, ma'am.
Have a nice day, ma'am.